Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by checking VN is updated and giving it mic and storage access so nothing blocks editing. Import your noisy clips into a new project set to the final resolution. This preserves quality. Once clips are in, switch to waveform view and mute any secondary audio tracks so you focus only on the problematic track. These first steps get you into the editor quickly and prevent accidental edits to clean audio later on. Now you tackle noise reduction. Select the clip and open Audio Tools, then pick Noise Reduction or Denoise. Slowly raise the reduction level while playing a looped segment so you hear changes. Too much causes underwater artifacts. Tweak sensitivity to avoid removing wanted speech. After denoise, open the equalizer and reduce low rumble around 200 to 800 Hz while gently boosting 2 to 6 kHz to restore clarity. Once the sound is acceptable, normalize or manually set clip gain so levels match other tracks, and add short fades to prevent clicks. Always toggle the noise effect bypass to compare before and after, then export a short test file using your final codec and listen on different devices. If you still hear artifacts, back off the reduction amount and try a subtle noise gate or adaptive filter. Make iterative changes and test until the voice sounds natural without extraneous noise.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.